YouTube? D4G here, banging out another video. Hey, y'all seen the title and the thumbnail? We have an unboxing of the Maison Alhambra Toscano leather. So I'm gonna try to make this one quick, but we're gonna do a nice unboxing and see what this fragrance has to offer. Now, as y'all do know that this fragrance and this whole line from Maison Alhambra is discontinued. So if you still have a chance to find some, I would advise go ahead and go trying to pick those up if you can. But I've been seeing a lot of people buying like 3 or 4 that they plan on reselling. So, but as far as the overall box goes, same presentation setup as Fabulo Intent, Tobacco Touch, Porto Neroli. Very same setup, man. It's similar, man. I don't have too much to say because we already know what it's gonna look like. But we don't know what it's gonna smell like. So let me grab a strip and let's see what it has to offer. Now I don't care who sent it. Still gotta spray it up. A couple of you want to spray it up a couple of times. Yeah, dang. Hey, bro, I don't need a strip, fam. I do not need a strip, bro. Very nice leather note in this. Oh my gosh, fam. Oh my gosh, bro. I'm pretty sure I'm more of a Toscano leather person than an oud wood person. I just gotta go ahead and put that out there. First impression though. Alright, so there's two main things that I can pick up right now. You can definitely get the leather. That leather is very nice, very clean, very neutral, not dirty. It's very nice, a refined type of leather that they have in this. You can also pick up a little bit of the saffron. It does have a nice spice in here, but it's not overly spicy. But you can tell that there's that saffron spice in there. So I'm picking up the saffron, I'm picking up the leather for sure. Almost has like an airiness to it. Like an airiness about that leather. I'm telling you, man, that leather in this one is extremely nice, fam. Yeah, fam, this is very nice leather that's in this note, man. I'm rocking with this. The spices, the leather is not synthetic at all. I'm not getting no extreme harshness to it. Very clean fragrance for what it's doing. Very refined. Definitely a cold weather fragrance for sure. More so fall and winter. Might be strictly winter with me being in Texas. It definitely has a certain freshness in there. The main 3 things is gonna be the leather, the saffron spice, but then that in the backdrop there is this type of airy freshness that's about it. And I really do like how it's mixing together with everything. Yeah, man, I'm gonna keep it a stack. This is an easy purchase, man. If you like leather, if you like saffron, man's fragrance, this is strictly gonna be for my fellas out there. This is a masculine dominant fragrance, but this is a good one from what I'm picking up, man. I would like to say that if I was to do a review right now, this is smelling like some gas, fam. I might still do a gas for trash, but this is some potent gas, bro. Yeah, man. Hey, man. Winter chicken fucking dinner. That's a good one right there. I'm happy that I did pick that one up. Now, as far as this line goes, I would like to say that I might be done because rose petals I'm cool on. The peach one, y'all know I don't rock with peach. So I might be done with this line, especially because I do have Ebony Fume as well. And this is from Fragrance World. I will be doing an unboxing with this one later on this week as well. But now that I have all those, I think I got the 5 that I wanted out of the collection. I still might get oud wood, but if oud wood, all I'm saying is oud wood compared to some of the Tobacco Touch, Toscano leather, Fabulo Intense, fam, oud wood might not get much wears from me compared to these other ones. Because I can tell you right now, I enjoy this DNA and Toscano leather as well as the other 2. Man, I don't know what to say, fam. I'm enjoying this. But that's gonna be the video, man. Let me know what y'all think down in the comment section. Were y'all able to pick this one up? And were y'all able to pick up any of the other ones from the Maison Alhambra Tom Ford line that's gonna be discontinued? Were y'all able to pick some of them up before the prices just skyrocketed? Let me know down in the comment section and let's have a conversation, man. But with all that being said, we about to get up out of here. I hope y'all have a great day. I hope y'all have a phenomenal day. Stay on your square. Stay on your purpose. Don't let nobody take you off of it, fam. D4G, truly blessed. That stands for greatness. We out.